Hello everyone, welcome to AJJ Engineering. Today I would like to discuss about iron carbon diagram. Iron carbon phase diagram. Iron carbon phase diagram describes the iron carbon system of alloys containing up to 6.67% of carbon, discloses the phases, compositions and their transformation occurring with the alloy during their cooling or heating. Carbon content 6.67% corresponds to the fixed composition of the iron carbide. The diagram is presented in the picture is transformation. The important boundary is the lines. Separating phases have some universally used abbreviation. That is A1, the upper limit of the ferrite or cemented phase fields. Horizontal line going through the eutectoid point. A2, the temperature where iron loses its magnetism, so-called Curie temperature. Note that for pure iron, this is still in the alpha phase. A3, the boundary between the gamma austenite and the austenite ferrite field. A4, the point in this case where alpha changes to delta at high temperatures. ACM, the boundary between the gamma austenite and the austenite or cemented field. Phases in iron carbon phase diagram. Alpha ferrite, solid solution of carbon in BCC iron. Stable form of iron at room temperature. The maximum solubility of carbon is 0.022 weight percentage. Transforms to FCC, gamma austenite at 912 degrees Celsius. Gamma austenite, solid solution of carbon in FCC iron. The maximum solubility of carbon is 2.14 weight percent. Transforms to BCC, delta ferrite at 1935 degrees Celsius. Is not stable below the eutectoid temperature, that is 727 degrees Celsius, unless cooled rapidly. Delta ferrite solid solution of carbon in BCC iron. The same structure as alpha ferrite, stable only at high temperature above 1394 degrees Celsius, melts at 1538 degrees Celsius. Iron carbide or cementite. This intermetallic compound is metastable. It remains as a compound indefinitely at room temperature but decomposes very slowly within several years into alpha Fe and carbon, that is graphite, at 650 to 700 degrees Celsius. FeC liquid solution. Some points on iron carbon diagram. Carbon is an interstitial impurity in iron. It forms a solid solution with alpha, gamma, delta phases of iron. Maximum solubility in BCC. Alpha ferrite is limited. Maximum 0.022 weight percentage at 727 degrees Celsius. BCC has relatively small interstitial positions. Maximum solubility in FCC austenite is 2.14 weight percentage at 1147 degrees Celsius. FCC has larger interstitial positions. Mechanical properties. Cementite is very hard and brittle, can strengthen steels. Mechanical properties also depend on the microstructure, that is how ferrite and cementite are mixed. Magnetic properties. Alpha ferrite is magnetic below 768 degrees Celsius. Austenite is non-magnetic. Classification. 3 types of ferrous alloys. Iron less than 0.008 weight percentage of carbon in alpha ferrite at room temperature. Steel 0.008 to 2.14 weight percentage of carbon, usually less than 1 weight percentage. Alpha ferrite plus iron carbide at room temperature. Cast iron 2.14 to 6.7 weight percentage, usually less than 4.5 weight percentage. Development of microstructure in iron carbon alloy. Microstructure depends on composition, that is carbon content, and heat treatment. In the discussions below, we consider slow cooling in which equilibrium is maintained. Microstructure of eutectoid steel. Eutectoid steel with spiral perlite was processed using subcritical annealing. Fine structure, that is alpha plus theta, was formed by the warm deformation and divorced eutectoid transformation. Microstructure of eutectoid steel. When alloy of eutectoid composition 0.76 weight percent of carbon is cooled slowly, it forms perlite. Layered structure of two phases, alpha ferrite and cementite. The layers of alternating phases in perlite are formed for the same reason as layered structure of eutectoid structures. Redistribution of carbon atoms between ferrite 0.022 weight percentage and cementite 6.7 weight percentage by atomic diffusion. Mechanically, perlite has properties intermediate to soft, ductile ferrite and hard, brittle cementite. Microstructure of hypoeutectoid steel. Composition to the left of eutectoid 0.022 to 0.76 weight percentage of carbon. Hypoeutectoid less than eutectoid alloys. Microstructure of hypoeutectoid steel. Hypoeutectoid alloy contains proeutectoid ferrite formed above the eutectoid temperature plus the eutectoid perlite that contains eutectoid ferrite and cementite.